Hello, I'm dentist Zeynep Sudeçakır. At Klinik Dental Health Clinic, we are committed to providing top quality care. Today I will talk about implant treatments, a great way to replace missing teeth naturally. In this video, I will cover what's the dental implant, how is implant treatment done, what are the stages of treatment and healing, what are the benefits of implants, who can get implant treatments. Let's begin with the first question. What is a dental implant? A dental implant is a small post placed in the jawbone to replace a missing tooth. It's usually made of titanium and acts as an artificial tooth root. A porcelain or zirconium crown is placed on top of to look and work like a natural tooth. How is implant treatment done? Implant treatment has two main steps. First, the implant is placed into jawbone with a small surgery. It's done with local anesthesia, so you won't feel any pain. Once the implant is fully connected to the bone, a dental crown is added on top. The timing of this step depends on how your jawbone is and how many implants you need. What's the treatment and healing process like? Healing usually takes around 2 to 4 months after the implant is placed. During this time, the implant bonds with your bone. If extra procedures like bone grafting are needed, the procedure may take a bit longer. What are the benefits of implant treatment? Implants look and function like natural teeth. They support your jawbone, preventing bone loss and keeping your facial structure intact. Unlike bridges, implants don't harm neighboring teeth. Implants are fixed, so they feel comfortable when chewing and speaking. Who is suitable for implant treatment? If you are in good health and have enough bone in your jaw, you can get implants. People with conditions like diabetes can also have implants, but their treatment plan should be adjusted with their doctor's help. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. At Klinik our expert team and advanced technology, we will give you the best experience. Wish you a healthy smile.